What's happening, crypto fam? Welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott, and this video is basically an answer to some messages I've been having in DM and in the comments. Just wanting to cheek a little how-to on Wirex. So yeah, basically, look, this is the Wirex app. So download the Wirex app. Make sure you're getting the official app. Just go to just Google Wirex and you'll see like buy crypto. Basically, download it, sign up to it, get verified, and add a card. So basically, we come to the GBP. We're gonna get on that page there, and you can see the card. So the card's been added. We've got account details. So you can basically activate account details to send through accounts. I added a card, so I can instantly add funds from a card, basically. So I mean, if we just wanted to go add funds, and it's there, local bank transfer, international bank transfer using Swift, Visa. So you just click the Visa, you add £10. At the top, we're going to click yeah. And the minimum amount is 1903 for some reason. So what we'll do on that, fuck you then, I don't know what to put a tenner in to show people, but that is how you're going to add. It's usually 10 or minimum. Must have gone to 20 quid for some reason. But once you've added your pounds, you'll have that, you'll be able to click that tab there, exchange into XRP. So what I'm going to do is, oh fuck it, I'll just fucking sell some, fuck it. So, because we've got some in that 21, got 22p exchange into XRP max. I ain't got enough. Oh, sell that shit. Minimum amounts. You get minimum amounts here. I was just, sorry guys, I was trying to throw me little Bitcoin dust into XRP because you know it's how we roll. That Bitcoin there, if you're wondering, is off purchases. So that's the crypto back off purchases. But right, exchange. 2 GBP. So this could be me selling 50 XRP is £11, and we're going to click that, boom, exchange, do it quickly before you get price movement. Boom, 11 added to your GBP account. Already there, exchange, XRP. I'm going to lose a bit of XRP here, guys. I'm not an idiot, but I just want to show you. Yes, exchange. So I was sold 50, I got 48 back. I don't give a fuck. I wanted to show you how it works. That is how fast it is. I've now got zero in my Great British Pounds again. It's £1. It costs you £1 a month to have this, guys. Back in there, still £205, so still £206 value in my thing. You can see it fluctuating because it's in crypto, not pounds. So if crypto flies up, that flies up. Pounds are never flying up, are they? So if I had that £206 in pounds, it's just going to be pounds. But the fact it's in crypto, it's in XRP. Once XRP goes, so does the value of that wallet. And that's just one of my little wallets, like 878 XRP in it. It is what it is. But what we're gonna do now, add XRP. So this is what no, I did the wrong one then. Not add funds. Send. So boom, click XRP. So we've got an address here, QR code. There's the address to send any XRP here, and you can copy address, or we want to send some XRP somewhere. So say your ledger, we had the ledger on the screen at the moment. We want to add funds, show QR code. Then we come to that, send funds, scan QR code, and then we'd scan the QR off the screen for the ledger. You would then go to the amount you want to send, click OK in the top right corner, and you would then, because you're sending crypto out to another wallet, you would have an email confirmation you need to fill out. Guys, let me know in the comments if this has not been enough. I'd like to think that this gives you a good idea of how fast XRP can be traded, exchanged, sent. You can add funds, send funds, exchange funds. So that's what I mean when you're in control of your crypto, and you're in control of your value. So the value's fluctuating because it's volatile. It's what we're waiting for, innit? It's we're waiting for that 206 off that to become 206k, baby. We're not fucking about. We're waiting for $300 or some shit, and then imagine the value of that then. But you can see I've exchanged a bit here and there, and it's been like fucking sent here and there. I was showing my mate there where they just fucking... In fact, no, that's to pay me monthly. Sent £1 over to pay me. So your monthly fee comes out, and every now and then you just drop a bit of XRP back in. Because you just spent the £1 anyway. You can keep some pound in. You could get your wages paid into Revolut or there, and then go from there. But it's as simple as that, guys. Wirex. I highly suggest people get on it. I'd imagine they'll be adding more coins soon. Great to buy ether if you need ether for gas. Just bish bash bosh, get it and send it to the wallet you need it. You need the gas at, my ether wallet or something. But yeah, pretty off my phone, guys, and I don't think Wirex is even on the desktop, so I don't even know how I could do this video any better. But if there's anything else you really need to know, just get in the comments and that. I want to end it so it's not over 10 minutes and it can go on IGTV. But yeah, you can do IBAN transfers, international with your international bank account number. You can add a debit card to add funds. You can send crypto direct to the crypto wallet. It gives you an address. Better than Revolut, this in my opinion, but anyone who likes the security of Revolut and the fact that no one can force you to send it anywhere else except for another Revolut account. But if you want to be in control of your own value, Wirex is definitely the way to go. It gives you full control of the value that's on there, basically. Although there is some minimums, waiting for that Bitcoin to be cash back to come up a bit more. I mean, yeah, once it's in the pounds, we'll be able to throw that over into XRP. Or keep it a Bitcoin if you want. Try and get yourself a full Bitcoin. But the best app bar none, in my opinion, guys. I'm hoping the Bab app ends up better than it, or just as good as it. But time will tell. Again, yeah. Get in the comments if there's anything else you need to ask or you want to ask. Feel like I didn't cover enough or cover anything like that. Just yeah. Go and get on Wirex. Don't delay. Get it today. Accumulate and wait. Live long and hodl, baby. 2023 onwards is when it's truly happening. But let's keep the faith and keep the hope that we do get new all-time highs by the end of the year or next summer. Guys, it's been a pleasure. Love you. Love crypto. And we love XRP. Fuck yeah. This was how to use Wirex. Go download it. Cheers.